Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. On the screen, just find out the Windows audio. Right click on it, select properties and go to its startup type, set automatic, then click on apply and then OK. And this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. Then just go to search bar, type here control panel. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue. Set view by as large icons, then just scroll down and click on sound. Once we are here, we need to right click on the speakers, try to disable it and again enable it. Once done, select it, go to its properties, then go to enhancements tab. We need to check this option, disable all enhancements, then click on apply, go to levels tab, keep this up to the 100% and enable this option. Now go to balance and we have to set all these up to the 100% and then click on OK. Close all windows one by one and then right click on the start icon, go to device manager. Here we need to expand these audio inputs and outputs. Firstly, we will just right click on the speakers, go to its properties, go to drivers tab, then click on update driver and select the first option. If this not work, then go back and select the second option, click on let me pick from a list of available system and then select a model and click on next. Once done, close all windows one by one and then simply restart the system. You can also check out our description link or an comment box to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.